Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp gold, Gbpusd and EURUSD on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we need to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frame. I'm on XAUUSD, that's gold, on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is still bullish, but we need to take a look at what has happened in the last few days. We can see a double top on the screen. This is the left top, and this is the right top. Okay, I see a double top on the screen. At the end of the day, at the end of the period, we might be seeing something like a triple top for gold to descend first to this ascending trend line, first to this ascending trend line, and then a break and a retest of that trend line might send price lower. Okay, but that might not happen. Price could touch or test the trend line and then continue up. All right, so that's my forecast for the long-term period for gold. But for now, we have a double top. We'll be expecting the neckline, this neckline, to be broken. If price attempts to get to the neckline, we expect the neckline to be broken. The neckline will be something like around here. We expect it to be broken for price to continue downward. That's that on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What do we have on the 4-hour time frame? On the 4-hour time frame, we can see a tree drive pattern. This is the top. This another top. And this is another top. Okay, and the neckline is already broken. Price might retest the neckline and continue its movement downward. But for now, on the 4-hour time frame, gold is bearish for now. Okay, let's look at the 1-hour time frame. What do we have on the 1-hour time frame? On the 1-hour time frame, you can see that the price is bearish as price continues to establish lower lows, lower high. This high is lower than this high. This low is lower than this low. Lower low, lower low. Okay, so that's a bearish structure, and the break of this structure happened around here where we have this liquidity zone. Okay, and we have the break, a retest, then price continues. Now this support around here became resistance twice. Okay, so we have a liquidity zone here as well. Look at, and the price dipped. All right, so that's that for the 1-hour time frame. Gold is bearish on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame is bearish, and we are seeing something like a flag, a bear flag. Seeing a bear flag on the 30-minute time frame. A break of this flag will send price first to this particular zone, that is the 1984 zone. Then a break of that zone causes a break of structure, and price will continue its way downward. If price is going to continue its way downward, we might be looking at a test of the 1977 area, then a test of the 1969 area. That's that for the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, we can see the price of gold is bearish. Look for a way to sell. If you don't scalp sell gold, you might wait for the breakout of the flag pattern of the range. We wait for the breakout. As soon as price breaks down, as soon as we have a breakout and a breakdown below this point, okay, you might want to enter to scalp sell. Our order block on 15 minutes time frame, we have this order block around here. That's the 1989 zone. Okay, that's our first support. The second support is at the one, let's look at it, this second spot is at 1987 zone. Okay, so look for scalp selling opportunity. You can see a triple top. You can see this top around here, the left, more like a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So we're expecting price to drop, price of gold to drop in continuation of yesterday's drop. Look at yesterday's drop. Okay, we're expecting price of gold to drop some more. All right, so that's that on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Look at the range. Look out for the range breakout on the 5 minutes time frame. Look out for the range breakout. The price breaks to the top, might be a liquidity sweep. You might want to hold on. If price breaks to the top, might be a liquidity sweep to sweep the liquidity around here. You might want to hold on for price to drop and then continue its downtrend. Okay, so that's that for the 5 minutes. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see that price is still ranging. Price of gold is ranging on the 1 minute time frame. Drawing the triangle, the trend line, using the trend line to draw a triangle. Okay, you might wait for price to break out of this triangle before you jump in, if you are going to scalp buy or if you are going to scalp sell. Wait for a breakout. As London market is about to open, wait for a breakout before you join the traders. All right, that's that for gold. Let's look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD is currently bullish. The overall structure is bullish, but more like we have a top. We have a top. Currently have a top. This top, more like an evening star. All right. We have this leg, down leg, a retracement, then continuation of the down leg. So and price currently is at the is dropping on a daily time frame. All right, so we have this wick at the top and price continues to drop, so you might want to look for selling opportunities on GBPUSD on cable. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have this down leg, we have a break of it, then price is trying to retest or go down. Okay, look at the current 4-hour is already engulfing the previous bullish candle of the last 4 hour. Okay, so we might see a continuation of yesterday's downward movement today, so you might want to look for selling opportunities. Look at what's happening. Price is trying to continue its downward direction, so price might first of all clear this particular structure here. This 1.24655 might be the next target for price. That it's already breaking out to the downside, so look for selling opportunities on cable GBPUSD. You can see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. The sellers are in the market and the bears are active. Look at the bears took it, look at this movement yesterday, just a little retracement whatsoever, and now the bears have stepped in to continue the trend. So you might want to jump in and short the market as soon as this is the 15 minutes time frame. As soon as we have a break of this low, 1.24757 low, as soon as we have the break, we might expect a retest. As soon as we have the break, we might expect a retest of that break, then for price to continue its downward movement. So in as much as we have the price continuing its downward movement, the next support will be the low here around here. That's 1.24652 before we have a test of this particular order block. The order block is let's look at where it is. is at 1.24530. So we might be seeing a downward movement, or initially this particular zone has been tested. Price will get to that zone and break it and possibly move downward. So you might look for selling opportunities on GBPUSD on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. The 5 minutes time frame shows that price is ranging, and as the range expands, you can see more sellers are stepping in. So for the buyers to counter the range, the buyers might need to break this structure around here. Might need to break, might need to test the other block, this particular other block. They might need to get back to the other block for us to have a double bottom before they push price back to this other block here around here. Okay, but that's not a possibility for now. We expect price to continue to move downwards. Look at the sellers are in charge of the market. We have more red candles coming in. Even as we approach the London market open, more sellers are coming in to push price downward. So the 1 minute time frame, you can see sellers are in control. Sellers are in control. So look for short opportunities, look for bearish opportunities, look for how to sell GBPUSD for today. Let's look at EURUSD on the daily time frame. Since we have this breakout, and the retest of the break, we have the breakout, the retest, the price has been dropping. Look at yesterday's candle. It's a pin bar, a bearish pin bar, drop, rise, drop. So we expect price to continue its movement downward. This is on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price continues to drop downwards. Okay, look at, we have this rise yesterday, and then we can see the way price is going back, trying to get to this particular order block. For now, a break of this support, we'll see price moving downwards. I'm talking about the break of the 1 point. Let's look at that particular zone, 1.08496. A break of that to the downside, price will drop further. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We have head and shoulder pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So we might expect to see price dropping some more. We might expect to see price dropping some more to this particular order block around here. All right, so let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, the price is ranging. We might be expecting a break out of the range. There's the range top on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's find the range, but this is the range bottom. So we might be expecting a break out of this range as the London market opens. But looking at the chart, the sellers are more in the market. Just very little resistance whatsoever from the buyers. Little resistance whatsoever, but the sellers have stepped in already. They're taking it to the bottom of the range. A break of the range bottom, you see price going downwards. So ranging on the 15 minutes time frame is ranging. Wait for the range breakout. I want to wait for the range breakout before you place your trade. Looking at this triangle, you might also want to wait for price to break out of this triangle for you place your trade. You might expect price to go up and price could descend. I expect price to go down, price could go up. All right, well, it's ranging for now. As London market is about to open, we'll find range breakout, then you jump in on the trade. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see in head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, and this is the right. This is the head. Let's get the head. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So it's bearish. Look for selling opportunities. This is the neckline. Where's the neckline? This is the neckline. Look for selling opportunities. If you are selling, if you are scalp selling, you might want to target 1.08578. All right. So on the 1 minute time frame, what do we have on the 1 minute time frame? You can see price is establishing lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So look for short opportunities. That's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. Please share the video to your friends and loved ones so that they get to see our analysis. You can give a like to the video. Drop comment below the video, ask questions. If you're not clear with any part of the video, we'll try as much as possible to explain. You can click the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video, you will be notified. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade on how to trade forex and gold. You can also visit another website of ours, fffables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.